Hello everyone, Ron here and welcome to another video. Today we just at the allotment, just having a little check. As you can see behind me, I have brought up a blue box of bits of bulbs. My finger's in the way of the camera there. I'll show you now. So as you can see there, at the garden centre, we bought 2 pumpkin plants. So they're going to go in. I was at Aldi the other day. They had some these marigolds here, so could put these around some of the places. We haven't got any in. And whilst at the garden centre as well, I found mixed leaf salad. Bought 2 of them, so the plan is to get them in somewhere as well. So I'm thinking this top little bed here, gonna try and hold it as much as we can now. Get the 2 pumpkins, might put a marigold in the middle there, and then the pumpkins can grow across the bed. If it goes on that, it doesn't matter, because that's not being used this year, because that was where we put the manure down, so that's going to rot down. Needs a cracking bit of weeding. Here we are now with everything else that we've already got planted, which seems to be okay. There's not really much difference in anything. These onions have sprouted all the way at the back, so the red barons, they've sprouted quite nicely. And we have our carrot bed, which I don't yet see any germination, and there's a couple of little bits coming up like that, but I don't believe they're carrots. I think they could be, actually, I don't know. Let me know. So I'll go back down. So we've got that there, that might be, I'm not entirely sure, but I doubt it. And then you got that there, so let me know. Strawberries, there's one that's not been eaten finally, so that one looks like it might be ready, but also at the bottom it doesn't. And as for the what we call it, the lettuce, I'm going to put the lettuce on there somewhere. The original plan was to do this sort with beans and then some lettuce by there, but I just hadn't had time this weekend. It's already really late and I've ran out of time. So let's get this weeded with my hoe. You can see my hoe is up there. I'm going to have a good blast. I'm not going to go too nuts with it, just enough to clear it up, well, a bit for now, and then we can get the pumpkins in. As you can see, that bed is now holed up good enough. It's all in there. Yes, there's a load of soil in there as well, because I just kind of grabbing lumps and sticking it in the end just to get the worst of the horsetail out. And right, so plan is 2 pumpkins this side, maybe a marigold in the center, and then we'll go from there. So like so, the pumpkins in, trailing across the bed that way. Like I said, it doesn't matter if it goes onto that lot above there. So there we are, but let's have a look. Right, that's the pumpkins in. I've also put a marigold next to each of them to help give them a little bit of pest protection. It's apparently meant to give out something that some of the pests do not like. This one though is a bit floppy, so I don't know if he's going to last. I have another 10 there. I'm going to put them around the strawberry bed. Like I say, I might try and get the lettuce in the end over there as well. Right, quick update. That marigold has fallen over. I thought it would. I'll leave it there. You never know, it might survive. That one's still fine. But what we have done, got the other marigolds here, we've got 8, so I'm going to spread them evenly. Well, not so much evenly, just sort of across these 2 beds. But in the distance there, you can see what I've just done. We have our mixed leaf grow and come again, I believe they call it, where you could just pick the leaves, all the lettuce this year. I'm not doing any protection just yet, netting over the top. Should I? I kind of feel I should. But I will be putting marigold sort of like on the end there, and kind of like here. Just spread these 8 evenly across this bed and this bed. So I'll do that now and we'll come back. Right, that's me done. I'll swing the camera around now and give you a recap. But I don't feel like I've done a lot, but I'm very happy with the progress. There's a lot gone in, so for that I am happy. Alright, it's all plug plants. But I'll turn the camera and we'll see what we've done. So we have our pumpkins and 2 marigolds. So pumpkin leaf marigold. So these pumpkins should trail down this bed and if it has to go further, spin the camera. And now we have put in the rest of the marigolds. So we've got one on the end of this bed, then one either side. A bit further up, we've kind of gone there, back over here, and you can see as well, we put a load of plug plant lettuce ones in, and there's a couple more marigolds there. I'm very happy with how these lettuces came out. So there they are. So hopefully now I'll be able to pick them soon and we can start eating my own salad. Alright, they're plug plants, but I'm happy with that. Okay then, so thank you all again for watching. Let me know down below, have I done any of this wrong? Because this is the first time I've done it. Obviously I'm relying on most of you guys as well for this advice, but I'm happy so far. Anything else I should grow right now? I mean, we're June now, I believe we are. I'm going to make myself a little stupid now where it's still May, but I think it's June. And yeah, so we'll get it all planted, some more stuff. I am planning on doing them French beans, dwarf French beans over there, but that's going to take quite a bit of work to do. So it might not be anytime soon, but we will see. So yeah, again, thank you all for watching. Leave a comment down below, let me know, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Ciao for now, everyone.